Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Everything is set. Let's get it started. In the world full of chaos and overuse, the key is to embrace sustainability. And when we talk sustainability, renewable energy is up there on the top. It's the type of energy generation that produces no greenhouse gas emissions, no fossil fuels being used, which ultimately reduces air pollution and improves the general quality of the environment. In this field, solar power plays a huge part, and that is where PVcase comes in. Today, we have with us David, founder of PVcase. So, David, please tell us, what does PVcase do?
Hi. First and foremost, PVcase stands for Photovoltaic Computer-Aided Solar Engineering. It is a modern engineering tool enabling engineers to be more responsive to the requests of their customers. By connecting the entire solar planning workflow, our solutions empower companies to make data-driven decisions with confidence when optimizing designs and assessing the viability of commercial and utility-scale power plants. The future is actually here. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine, instead of working for 2 weeks straight, you can now use that time and relax under the palm tree, learn Morse code, or whatever. Sounds like a dream, huh? With our software, you can complete the same project in just a couple of hours. And it's not a prototype. It's already being used on real projects by companies around the world. Looking back at the timeline, my journey with solar started way back in 2007. Later, in 2011, Detra Solar, an engineering company, was founded. Detra Solar gave birth to PVcase in 2018. You see, it was created by engineers for engineers. In 2021, we hit a huge milestone, Series A funding. But I believe it's just the beginning of the beautiful, sustainable, and green PVcase story. At the moment, we develop 3 software products: ground mount, yield, and roof mount. Every solar engineer's dream. We enable engineers to do more, help them achieve a high level of quality. And that's why we have the trust of customers all over the world. 50 different countries and counting. It all combines into a huge number of solar parks made with the help of our software. We believe that PVcase is not just a software, it's a lifestyle helping fight climate change and encouraging a sustainable future. We rely on our amazing team members around the globe who work together towards the common goal. The team is constantly growing. We are on a mission to fight climate change through software. This is the common vision we're all moving towards.